So good evening, everyone. I'm Dr. Rajiv. Firstly, I'd like to thank AIS, ARC for giving me this opportunity to speak. My topic of debate is management should be a part of postgraduate curriculum. So during post-graduation, we learn about theoretical knowledge about the subject, get clinical exposure, and we get surgical exposure. Do we get any training in the management part? No, I don't think so. In any post-graduation, we don't get anything about the management training. So after post-graduation, most of us follow a subspecialty training, or few people opt for private practices, few go for a corporate or institutional job, or few opt for a government job. Having a management knowledge would be helpful in all these areas in some or the other way. So if you decide for a private practice, who better to manage your own practice than yourself? Do we feel confident enough to manage our own practice after post-graduation? I don't think so. So for that, we need to have some kind of management training or management knowledge before we start our private practice. So what is management? Management is an art of doing things done through others by directing their efforts towards achieving a predetermined goals. It involves technical and human skills. The earlier you learn, the better can you manage your goals. Understanding theoretically about management will help you apply it practically more efficiently rather than just learning it with time. So for this example, I would like to give, I have joined my father since last 7 years, and in this 7 years, I have learned it practically a lot more things. But for this talk, I was going through a lot of theoretical material, and I found through the topic itself, I found it that if I would have learned this 7 years back before joining my father, it would have helped me a lot better to understand the management part. All these nowadays, all these board accreditations have become important for running a hospital. So having knowledge about management during your post-graduation will help you understand better about these things. Also, having management as a part of PG curriculum will help you give better patient care and quality. You can maintain the quality of the patient care. Features of management are like management is goal-oriented. The success of any management is assessed by its achievement of predetermined goals. The management integrates human, physical, and financial resources. Management is a continuous process. There's one problem, it gets resolved, something else arises. So it's like a continuous process. So you need to keep on doing the things. Management is all pervasive. It's like it involves all kinds of fields, political, social, all kinds of fields. Objectives of management are like getting maximum results with minimum efforts. With these minimum efforts, you can have with increasing the efficiency of factors of production. With all this, you increase the prosperity for the employer and employees. And due to proper management, as the prosperity of employer and employees increase, there is human betterment and social justice. You can improve the standard of quality care and standard of living with your employees. So the importance of management is like it helps in achieving goals. It reduces costs, establishes equilibrium, optimum utilization, gives you optimum utilization of resources, establishes sound organization, and is essential for prosperity of the society. So what are the reasons to study management? So if you study management, you will be in demand. It can help you advance. Just last slide, ma'am. You learn how to manage others effectively. The skills you learn are transferable. You'll be able to work anywhere in the world, and you'll gain theoretical knowledge. So leaders in fields such as Johns Hopkins and other Ivy League medical schools have recently started offering all these MBA degrees and management courses to encourage this sort of things. So to conclude, management in PG is important because it will help you learn multitasking. It will help you improve the quality of treatment. It improve your understanding of administrative work, and it will improve your understanding of working in a group. And mainly, it will help you improve yourself.